The data around collections shocked me, and it explains why so many people stay stuck. Most people believe if they pay a collection, it disappears. And that belief alone is quietly suppressing millions of credit scores. So, give me the next 3 minutes, and I'll show you why paying collection often doesn't fix credit and what actually moves the needle. See, here's where most people don't realize, according to the credit reporting rules, a collection, even if you pay it, it can remain on your credit report for up to 7 years from the original date of delinquency. So that means you can pay the debt, do the responsible thing, and see little to no improvement on your credit score. So, what do people do next? They keep paying, they keep waiting, and they stay confused about why nothing changes. And the dangerous belief is simple: paying collections fixes your credit score. But credit score doesn't operate on morality, it operates on data accuracy and reporting rules. The system doesn't ask, did you pay? It asks, is the account being reported accurately, consistently, and lawfully? This is where most people miss the real game. Collections aren't just debts, there are data entries, and data entries are governed by federal reporting standards. If that data cannot be verified, is outdated, is incomplete, or is reported inconsistently across Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, then legally it doesn't belong on your credit report, paid or unpaid. So why do most people stay stuck? Because they're taught pay first, ask question later, instead of verify first, challenge the inaccuracy, force documentation. When you pay before verification, you actually give up leverage. And once leverage is gone, progress slows or stops entirely. I've reviewed thousands of credit reports, and the biggest mistake I see, people paying collections before checking how it's being reported, who actually owns it, and whether it meets credit reporting standards. That's not strategy, that's hope. So here's a real takeaway: paying a collection doesn't automatically improve your credit score. Accuracy removes a collection, not payments. Understanding the rules give you leverage. Once you understand that, credit stops feeling hard and confusing. It starts feeling more predictable and easy to remove collections from your credit report.